And this is why I won't leave my main job, because I do not want to be like I'm actually alone. As chocolate as I am, I would come out smelling like a lemon drop, okay? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. I am a bless me. I am a Jamaican content creator. I mostly do like lifestyle. Of course, the lifestyle is going to be like family and stuff like that. Lifestyle, travel, sit downs, productivity, faith-based, stuff like that. That's what I mostly do. So today's video is going to be a vlog. I have a family trip to go on. I have some family members who are here from overseas and they want me to come spend the weekend with them. Did I mention today was Saturday? Yeah, so today's Saturday. I'm gonna spend the remainder of today with them. It is now after 12, so we should be going down for like 2 o'clock or so. Spend the rest of the day with them, spend tomorrow with them, spend Monday with them, come back Monday to get back to work Tuesday, because hubby has work Tuesday. The boys are on summer vacation. If you live in Jamaica, you know it's a summer vacation. If you live anywhere else in the world, it's summer vacation. So I'm leaving my family for the weekend. I'm leaving my husband and the boys for the weekend, and I'm going to spend time with my extended family. How do I feel about that? It's been a while that I've spent time without, I think from I've married my husband, if I spend a weekend without him, I've never spent a weekend without him and the kids. It would probably be the kids and I, but then we'll spend the weekend without him. So it's actually the first, and it's going to be that I'm spending the weekend without all of them. So it's a bit weird. It's really, really weird for me. Weird. I was going to do like a little packing and stuff and showing you guys, but I can't find my tripod. I can't find my taller and sturdier tripod. I have scoured down the place looking for it and I can't find it. So I don't know. I'll probably still do it, but I won't get to really talk. I wanted to do that while talking with you guys, but yeah. Have you seen my recent vlog, my vacation vlog? We went to Jamaica Colors Hotel. It was a one-night stay, just to thaw out, de-stress, and just experience something new. And it was such a beautiful experience. We definitely would go again. For that vlog, if you notice, I didn't do a lot of talking. And I don't really want to do a lot of talking for this one either. And the reason for that is because I am feeling very discouraged with continuing with recording overall. It's like my brain is flowing with all this creativity, but I'm feeling discouraged. Like my Father's Day vlog right now, as it stands right now, that video has like 19 views. And I don't think a lot of us understand how hard. Imagine, right? Father's Day. I'm cooking breakfast. Plus I'm recording. Plus I probably have the kids in my ears. So hubby took them for half the day or whatever. So it's like you're putting in all that work and then, you're putting it out there in the world, but then you're not seeing what you would like to see or, someone said to me not to quit because, you never know. And I mean, people are always telling me not to quit. And I'm not going to quit. I don't think I'm going to quit because I genuinely do love it. Because I create regardless. Like over the weekend for that vacation, I was not going to create. I'm going to be all the way honest. I was not going to create. I had made up in my mind that I was not going to create. And I texted my cousin and I was like, I don't feel like creating, but I do feel like creating. Like I was having mixed emotions. I was having mixed emotions about creating, and I love that vacation vlog. It was less talking. I was trying a lot of different things that I didn't try in terms of like angles and. Mommy? Yes, baby. No snack. We just had something to eat. No snack. So it was, for me, when I look back at that vlog and I look at my editing, I like it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comment section below if you've watched that video already. Let me know if you have not watched it already. Go ahead and click on the tag up here to go ahead and watch the video. I've seen a creator who said she's been on YouTube for 5 years and her views are stuck at like 200 and she's not moving. Her subscriptions are increasing, but her views are stuck at like 200 and it's not moving and she feels discouraged. And 5 years is a long time to be creating, putting in the work, learning things, putting it in, and then you're not seeing an outcome. But and this is why I won't leave my main job, because this don't must work for me. I want it to work. I don't need it to work. I want it to work. I do need it to work because I would like to be able to have a sense of freedom, but I more so want it to work, right? Good morning. So it's Sunday. As you know, for personal reasons, I won't really be vlogging my family and stuff like that. Right now, they are gone to the Bob Marley Museum in Montego Bay, and then they're going to go to Blue Hole. It's that time of the month, so I'm not into all of that right now. Right now, you know, when it's that time, you just want to sit down, chill out, and relax. Yeah, that is what I want to do. That is what I'm all about right now. So it's a kids free day for me. It's no husband day for me, so I'm gonna make use of it. So of some stuff on my face. I have the Panoxyl on my face that I just got. I'm excited about that. I've been meaning to buy it for myself and I forgot to buy it, but to God be the glory for family members who check out for you and kind of probably know the little trends that are going on. So yeah, so hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Guys, remember to please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have reached this far in the vlog. Vacation, say vacation. Vacation, I don't know. I'm just trying to find a way to figure out where everyone is reaching in the vlogs and where everyone is, you know. So yeah. So this is the outfit for today. This dress actually goes down to my ankles, but it's hot, and baby, I do not want to be in no dress. I want to be a little bit free, but all of my other dresses, they're too short for me to be walking alone. So that's for when I'm walking with my husband. So I left those at home and I carried this. Yeah, so this is the outfit of the day. You know, cute, modest, comfortable. Let's go get breakfast. You know, it's weird doing all of this alone. Like I'm actually alone. Like I haven't done anything alone in 5 years. It's crazy.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am, I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am, I am. I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am.
Just taking my little walk now. Listen, the sun is rather hot. The sun is very, very hot. But I'm enjoying it. It's weird. I'm not gonna tell you guys my lie. It's so weird being all by myself. But you gotta take it sometime. Do you guys see that? I think I was a mermaid sometime. I'm sure I was a mermaid. Oh gosh, this is stunning.
So yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am.
Guys, I can't see you guys. I don't know whether you guys can see me. But all that's missing right now is like a blanket to sit on. Because I would literally, as chocolate as I am, I would literally sit on this grass and take in all of this right now. But I can't. So here we are. I'm gonna walk back through the palm trees. Cause this is the coolest spot. I have to meet the driver to go pick up my aunt by 12:30. So, as you can see, I am back home. I've been back home since yesterday night. I am so happy to be back home. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I didn't sleep because as much as it was a trip, a little vacation, it was not a vacation, but it is what it is. I enjoyed seeing my family members. They're still here, but they've gone to a hotel, all-inclusive, and I gotta be back at work. I would love to be with them in that hotel, but I gotta be back at work. So a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Right. Right now I'm just shutting up some dinner. I'm cooking curry shrimp for dinner. Quick question, who else? Well, let me tell you, I've been cooking for years, but curry shrimp or curry on whole, it stresses me because remember, curry is something that can run belly. So if it's not cooked properly, it can run belly. And I'm not trying to run nobody's belly, and I'm not trying to run my own belly. So sometimes I'll probably overcook because I want the curry to cook down. I know, remember, shrimp should only take about 5 minutes or so. So yeah. Oh guys, we purchased have you guys been seeing these chairs all over TikTok where when you open it, it just inflates? Yeah, so we purchased one of those to put around the boys' room. I am looking forward to that chair so much. So much. So hubby picked that up. I got some stuff for the boys off of Amazon. Got some puzzles and some stuff to just keep their minds going while they're on summer vacation. My aunt bought both of them a tablet. So I don't really let my kids use tablets. I don't know about anybody else. You guys let me know. For my kids, I don't really let them use tablets. But what I'll do is I'll let them use it for like an hour, 2 hours. That's it. We'll go back to TV, then break from the TV. So that's the out of the kitchen. Sorry. So that's what I try to do for them because I do not want them, I want their brains to keep ticking and working. I don't want them to sit on tablets every day, all day. So that's what I do. But when the coach gets here, I'll let you guys know because hubby's not getting here for now. So when the coach gets here, take a video, show you guys, I'm gonna call you guys and say, guys, the couch is here. Make sure to answer now. Make sure you guys answer the phone when I call because I can't wait to show you guys. Make sure you answer the phone. So I'm gonna show you the little goodies that I'm gonna get so my auntie them will come. So I got a body wash. This is Dove coconut milk sugar lychee. I didn't even open it to smell it. Like I'm getting into, ooh, it's not even opening and it smells so good. Coconut milk sugar lychee. I don't want to pop off the rest of milk that I have. Lychee. Guys, it smells so good. Sugar. So lychee. It smells real good. Like I'll be with this right now. I got maybe about four or five of these. I really love these. Then we got the Dove Replenish Dragon Fruit and Coconut Cream. I'm gonna try to hide the fingers that have no nails on them. I wanna smell it. I think we were bathing with this at the hotel, so I think I smelled this already. I got Panaxil. I really wanted this once again, I can buy these things for myself, but I have more important things that I have been wanting. So like sheet sets and stuff like that. So instead of going for these, I purchased like home related stuff. So I got my Panoxyl. I started using it yesterday. So gonna see how that works. Got the Dove body scrub with pomegranate seeds and shea butter. Yeah. Baby, I'm about to have a shower routine tonight. Okay? I am about to shower down tonight. This is tape up. Give me a second. The Jamaican heat seems like it's melting it. So I got the tea tree hot or tree hot raspberry fizz shea sugar scrub. Please don't mess me up. Please don't mess me up. Please don't mess me up. It smells good. Guys, you know, so we can make these things ourselves, right? It's literally sugar. And like scented stuff. With some glycerin, fragrance, water, acid, and why we're putting acid on our body, but anyways, I don't know. That's very oily. Very oily. Then we got the TheraBreath dentist formulated healthy gums oral rinse. I got 3 of them, so I'm using the green one now. So we got the clean mint, we got the sparkle mint, and I don't know what the other one is. So these are the little goodies that I got that I asked for. To be honest, I was hoping for like a surplus. I was like hoping for like 3 body washes, and you know, but something is better than nothing. I am probably going to bathe with this tonight. It smells so good. When my husband come home tonight, he smells me. He said, "What smells so yummy?" Oh my gosh, who else loves that? Like, you come out the shower. So my husband bought me a body scrub the other day, right? He bought it from the wholesale. It's a lemon body scrub. You see, when I use that, and I use the lemon Dove body wash that my husband bought me, because he knows that I love these little things, so he bought me that. I come out smelling like a lemon drop, okay? He's like, "Baby, you smell like lemon." I was like, "Yeah." So I love the look of somebody. I love when I take my fresh like a shower and I come out and I'm nice and clean and everything. I am going to get, what do you call it? The teeth whitening. I'm gonna get I don't remember what it's called right now. I'm gonna get the teeth whitening system because I want to start whitening my teeth. I'm working on my skin. I'm trying to work on my skin. We're working on everything. I need to work on my spiritual, more important. All of this is going to fade away, but I need to work on my spiritual, more important. My advice to you, work on your spiritual. Work on your relationship with the Lord. Work on maintaining a relationship with the Lord. Work on making sure your soul is going to go with Jesus Christ. Right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the old coach, so that when hubby comes, we can put it in. I almost forget for sure. No. I got the EOS coconut waters. Smells so delicious. I've been using it since Sunday. Smells like coconuts. Smells so good. Like, I want the whole line. Of EOS. Like, it's very moisturizing. The only thing I wore over the weekend was EOS. Now that my skin is fully healed, all I wear, right? I've had this one before. I had this twice already. This is everybody's favorite, of course. I would say I love this one too. Yeah, man. Smells like what I remember it to smell like. I've seen people say that it smells like garbage and smells like rotten milk or whatever. I don't know what you're smelling. I don't know where your nose has been. I don't know what's going on with your nose. My money, EOS. So this is the current state of our couch. Out you go, in with the new. So guys, this is the couch that we bought off Amazon. I will link it in my storefront and you guys can go ahead and get it if you want. We got it for $240, I think. Yeah. So it takes 72 or 76 hours to fully be inflated. So what I don't like about it is if you sit back, right? So what we have to do, you gotta think fast, is we put these behind it. So these are the cushions from the old couch. So this gives you the ability to lean back on something. This is a two-seater, but this can fit my husband and our boys and myself. So this is what it looks like.